Your name?
Siya na alatol,
Your name?
Red wine. Red wine.
Red wine?
Red wine.
Red wine?
Yeah, coffee shop.
Red wine?
Malo, Starbucks.
Ah, red wine. Ah.
Nabjis.
He's from Africa.
Sige, sige.
Al Nabjis. Al Nabjis.
You know Tagalog,
Little bit.
Starbucks. And
Then this guy, from Nepal.
Ito ba yan?
From Nepal, ha? Kabayan.
sabi mo, kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka, mabuti?
This guy from Kimshad.
French.
French. Oh. So you know French. Ano ba yung French? Ano yung salita sa French?
Sri Lanka bro.
Sri Lanka.